After the age of 40, our bodies start to change, don't they? The metabolism slows down, hormones fluctuate, immunity weakens, and fatigue becomes more frequent. But don't worry, you can balance this process naturally. Today I'll share 5 powerful foods you should definitely include in your diet after 40. Number 1. Raisins. After 40, iron deficiency becomes very common. This can lead to constant tiredness, dizziness, and frequent illness. Here's a simple solution. Soak just 5 raisins in a glass of water overnight. In the morning, eat the raisins and drink the water on an empty stomach. This small daily habit helps restore your iron levels, strengthens your immune system, and protects you from getting sick easily. Number 2. Chia seeds, the brain's best friend. After 40, your brain needs extra support. Chia seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which nourish brain cells, improve memory, and boost focus. You can soak them in warm water until they form a gel, and then add them to your meals or drinks throughout the day. Just 5 tablespoons a day can make a noticeable difference in your mental clarity. Number 3. Flaxseeds. These tiny seeds are especially beneficial for women because they help maintain hormonal balance. They also support metabolism and may help prevent unwanted weight gain. But here's an important tip. Always consume ground flax seeds, not whole ones, since the body can't digest them properly. Just 2 tablespoons a day added to soups, salads, or smoothies is perfect. Number 4. Pumpkin seeds. They reduce stress, improve sleep quality, and support joint health. They also protect against depression, heart disease, and bad cholesterol. However, don't overdo it. Too much can cause weight gain. A small amount, just 1 or 2 teaspoons daily, is enough to enjoy the benefits. And finally, number 5. Sesame seeds. Both black and white sesame seeds are loaded with calcium, which is vital for strong bones. They also contain antioxidants that help fight premature aging. A single teaspoon a day can strengthen your bones, improve your skin, and keep you looking youthful. Remember, healthy eating won't stop aging, but it can help your body stay strong, energetic, and youthful for years to come. Small habits can create big changes in your health. Which of these foods do you already eat regularly? Share your answer in the comments. I'd love to know. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more natural health tips. Stay healthy, stay strong, and stay positive. See you in the next video.